Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So people were dragging in Dotayati Smith alapana ago Twitter ngemva kokuthi babona amthengela imoto as a Porsche present guys Mercedes Benz lenhleni lenhleni beast silwane into lethule alingabanga imsindo abantu they said ukuthi indoda yakhe lo yena besicabanga ukuthi ngibaba wakhe hawu leqhegu lelingaka hawu bantu imali hawu mantombazana hawu guys njani it's not the first time simbona Mr Beast amade simjwayele what new now that bamthengela imoto you guys are showing ukuthi cha nidalwa bathakathi nani niyaloya njeni loya nonke emakini because why are you guys dragging the poor child, why are you dragging the poor girl, why nimdraga unyu mami because nemona ukuthi bamthengele imoto nina ninadwa cha guys hayi mona yathi sifo le-serious sifo enje lesingalapheki futhi because why you guys are doing that. So uphendulele ke uThia wathi phendulela one thing about uThia Smith totiphendulela hayi totiphendulela like she doesn't allow people to bully her totiphendulele so tiphendulele wabhala alapha ku-Twitter wathi hosalang ke monaka and ke 2025 GIC couple yaka copy yaka I think Tedinchi Kimaka one sharp. Okay, I'm not Sotho and Mtswana, I don't know what language this is, I'm not quite sure, but we are sure what guys looks like indoda kabang. So like she's not ashamed, it's so sad ukuthi uzamangdraga umuntu something utitshele ukuthi maybe she's ashamed of that thing uthole ukuthi lo muntu shame she doesn't care akekho ashamed like you cannot drag someone ngento la yadiko nayo uyade vele ukuthi i-age gap yakhe nendoda yakhe ithini and she doesn't care, she doesn't mind, she's happy, they are married bajabule kwani so if wena umdraga umuntu awuqonga ukuthi utova buhlungu athi yo wathi ngimekele like really bantu bajolane bantu abadzala niyacomplain bajolana boshuka bo-Ben 10 niyacomplaina what do you guys want. Congratulations on you mommy. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.